Hi guys, and welcome to the Tattooed Sewer. Today I'm just going to bring you along for the ride and show you what I'm going to do with a man's oversized shirt so I can make it into something that I would wear. Well, there you go. We've transformed this old, big, baggy, kind of boring man shirt into a nice sort of day throw on blouse for a woman that I look forward to wearing. I hope you've enjoyed your time with me and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell and go and visit me on Strawberry Vintage on YouTube or strawberryvintage.com for our website. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Love you all. Bye.